and welcome. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Boxycharm Boxyluxe. This is the Boxycharm weekly update. And is there a future brand takeover in the near future when it comes to Boxycharm, maybe Premium? Anyways, guys, I'll let you know why I'm wondering that, why I'm thinking that a little bit later in the video. But let's just go ahead and jump into some of the confirmed spoilers that we know about for the Boxyluxe for June. Okay guys, so little disclaimer, as always, this is a judgment and drama-free zone where we embrace the hot mess, the rambles, and everything else. So if you are new to Boxycharm, there are different levels when it comes to Boxycharm's memberships, and one of the levels is the Boxyluxe. Now, with that being said, this is a $49.99 box, and it is an extended version of the Boxycharm standard $25 base box. Now with this, it comes every 3 months, and like I said, it is $49.99, and you do receive up to 9 beauty and lifestyle products in here with a value of over at least $275, a majority of the time over $275. So some of the June items that we do know about, and this one I have actually had in my collection for a while, and I have on my eyes today, and this is the Tarte Pro palette. Okay, so like I said, I purchased this, oh my goodness, like years ago when it first released. This palette is $49. It works just as well as it did back when I first received it. As you can tell, this was one of the palettes that I loved. Like, I don't really hit pan on hardly any of my palettes because I have an eyeshadow palette obsession, so I have an overabundance of them. But I will tell you guys, this is the perfect neutral palette, couple pops of colors in here. But again, this is something we will be seeing in our Boxyluxe. So again, like I said, this box is $49.99. This palette is $49. And I will tell you guys, you're gonna love this palette. I no longer smell it. There's a scent that typically comes with it, like a vanilla chocolatey cocoa scent or something. But the new one, I'm sure, will still have that scent. Moving on to the next item that we will be seeing, and I'll pop a picture up because I do not have this particular product, but it is the Kylie Skin Foam Cleanser. I looked it up. It is $24, and a little bit of information regarding the Kylie Skin Cleanser Foam. Like I said, the foaming face wash is what looks to be confirmed in the Boxyluxe, and a little information about it. It says our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and make up for a fresh, bright complexion. Retail value $24. Now, you guys know when this launched, her whole skincare line, I was kind of like, is it gimmicky? And I didn't pick anything up. However, I will say that the reviews on here, there's 4,098 reviews, and it is darn near a 5-star product. So I am very, very curious to try it out. I like that they're putting something like a cleansing product in here, because that's something that across the board I feel like everybody can use. And I do want to note that before I get into talking about the next item, I had done a video a while back talking about, is Boxycharm coming out with a lifestyle type of box? And a lot of you guys informed me that no, probably more than likely not, because Joe has specifically said that the Boxyluxe box is a mixture and a blend of beauty, makeup, lifestyle type of products, which completely makes sense with the next item I'm going to be talking about. And this is by Swell. This is actually a water bottle. Now, I went ahead and I went to Swell's website, and they have these bottles. They're anywhere from 9, 17, and 25 ounces, and they go from $25 to $45. I'm not 100% sure on which size we will see in our Boxyluxe, but a little information about it. The bottles they have a technologically triple layer vacuum insulated construction designed to keep beverages colder or hotter longer than all the rest. So it does say that the 9 ounce is perfect for on the go, fits snugly inside handbags, lunch bags, keeps beverages cold, wow, for 27 hours and hot for for 12 hours. And it literally goes on to explain each one, like the 17 ounce, the 25 ounce, all of that stuff. So as far as that goes, definitely a lifestyle type of product. But again, I'm okay with that because more times than not, it's definitely more like beauty, skincare, makeup heavy, and you might get like one little lifestyle product in here. And like I said in the beginning, the Boxyluxe box is more of an extension to the Boxycharm base box, which is a $25 a month box. You will receive the Boxycharm base box, the $25 box, every single month. Like I said, this Boxyluxe is like every 3 months or so, and it is an extension. So what you would see in the base box, you get even more. So it's pretty awesome. So let's talk about, let me talk about real quick about Boxy Pop Up. We will be seeing Boxy Pop Up show up. This looks like it says Tuesday, May 12th. So this is a very important date. The reason I'm telling you guys it's an important date is because this is when Boxycharm gives us the opportunity to save up to 80% off of some products, which I'll be popping up for here. One of the things, and I really want to get my hands on this, this is the Glam Glow. This is a whole Glam Glow set of the different masks and everything. The Pericone MD, I think this is the cleanser, is going to be available. The Foxy Bay, this is a curling wand, and then we have the Benefit Cosmetics. I've always been intrigued by this only because I like the way it's like that old school pen that we saw back when we were like in middle school and you could change the different colors. Let me know if you guys have picked that up because I've always been so curious about that little tool by Benefit. It has like, I think it's like different brow shaders and a highlight or something in there. And then of course the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette is going to be available up to 80% off. That one I'm not interested in because that was like a mixed review type of product. But if you're interested in it, you can receive up to 80% off. So mark your calendars for Tuesday, May 12th, because they always have a huge variety of different products. And I feel like it's kind of similar to the add-on that we get to do monthly, because when it comes to the add-ons, we may see products that were in past boxes and then we get the opportunity to add that to our monthly box. And I feel like Boxy Pop Up is very similar in that way too. So if you guys were wanting like that Pharmacy Cherry Bomb, I'm not 100% of it's going to be in there, but I know that other people in the past have talked about seeing that. So definitely mark your calendars for that. Okay, let's get into the juicy tea that is not confirmed. It is a speculation and I'm pretty excited about it. So the day I hope to upload this video for you guys, Boxycharm is having another Boxy session that will go live, and it will be at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. So I always upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully this video will go up in time to let you guys know about this. So this is called the Boxycharm in Session Virtual. And this is so cool. They do it on Zoom. I got to be a part of it last month. And what they have a live DJ, and then they normally have a makeup artist. And the makeup artist always goes through other like makeup and products we've seen in past Boxycharm boxes. God forbid I put anything on silent. And Boxycharm boxes, and they create a look on their model using those products, and it kind of gives you tips and tricks on how to do different things, and I thought it was pretty interesting. So anyways, they're going to have that today at 3 p.m. So last month, or earlier in the month, whenever the last Boxy session was, Joe got on there and he kind of gave us some sneak peeks and confirmations of things we're going to see in the May Boxycharm Premium box, the base box, as well as he did talk about brands we're going to see in the future. And I'll play a clip if I can come across it. I'll play a clip where he talks about it.
A little sneak peek for what comes in next month. So a couple new brands you're going to see. Lady Gaga brand is going to come in a box. We're going to see Joe. We have Sandy Riley coming in. We're going to have, from what I remember, more Fenty. Quite a few other brands.
With that being said, I was scrolling on Instagram because you guys know that's what your girl does to make these videos. I go on Instagram, I go on Facebook, Twitter, wherever it may be, Boxycharm's YouTube channel, and if I get it from Instagram and I pop up the picture, you guys always see where, or I'm always giving credit to that person. So with that being said, I'm scrolling and scrolling and I come across Show Your Boxy. and I'm gonna pop it up because Show Your Boxy Instagram handle is where I originally got this picture. They give credit to the person who made this picture, Delicious Arts. Do you guys see this? Do you all see this? Now in the video, Joe states that we're going to see Gerard Cosmetics, which has me so excited because I love Gerard's products, like love them. You guys know that I go on about the powder I use under my eyes, all of that stuff. What we see in here is Boxycharm times Gerard Cosmetics right there. What does that look like, guys? What does that look like? It looks like the Boxycharm times Fenty. Remember when there was a brand takeover? Fenty took over all of the March Premium box and we got like an abundance of Fenty beauty products. Like, I just did a video talking about eyeshadow palettes. Well, that video is probably not up yet, where I talked about this palette. We received this full palette. So if you look at this picture, we see a blush duo. We see, now this could be far-fetched, but we see the Gerard foundation. We see a palette. We see stuff in there that potentially could be a takeover. It could be nothing as well, because I have no inside knowledge, scoop, anything like that. It's all speculation, but it's pretty exciting because I'm kind of like, oh my gosh, like, really? So just be on the lookout. Let's see. We may only see 1 or 2 products from Gerard Cosmetics, which I would be totally fine with. But I also would be completely okay if they did a takeover. Like 100% yes. Yes, I would love to see that. Let me know down below you guys' thoughts. Do you think that we're going to see a brand takeover again? I felt like the brand takeover with Fenty Beauty, Boxycharm, or Fenty Beauty taking over Boxycharm, I thought it was amazing. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. All of a sudden, I started getting a bunch of texts rolling in and my people are driving past and I'm like, hold on, you're going to make me lose my train of thought. Anywho, let me know down below you guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys plan on signing up because you're excited about the Gerard Cosmetics potential. Even if, like I said, Joe said we would see the brand. Not necessarily 100% a brand takeover. That is just me. So I'm just clarifying it there. This is my opinion, my conspiracy, allegedly, hopefully, love to see it. Anyways, guys, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have a link that I will post in the comment section down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, thank you guys in advance. I will earn a little bit of a commission. Definitely, if you guys are interested, get in there, sign up for the base box. I will also pop a picture of what is available on Boxycharm's website if you do decide to sign up. The day I'm filming it, which is Tuesday, join today for 5 items plus a coupon of any of these items below. Save 6 pop at checkout. Use your $6 coupon to shop Pop Up in May and redeem products up to 80%. Awesome. So you'll get $6 towards Boxy Pop Up. Ah, we love that. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. I am gonna hop off and film a Boxycharm base box and premium box sneak peek video that will probably go up later this week, what have you. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to subscribe. Stick around. Like I said, I upload 5 days a week, all the time, 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget about the Boxy Session virtual Zoom that will be happening today. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.